Hi everyone, I'm Sayong
And I'm Kai.
and welcome to our podcast. We are millennials from Iloilo City and we are going to talk about random things about um, adulting life, right, Ate?
Yeah.
So now in our, this is actually our first episode.
Bakit kaya single tayo?
Okay. So, Ate, thank you so much for, gracing this podcast with me. And it's really a special episode because it's like a dream come true for us. Because we've been, talking about this for years. And now we were going to talk about um, bakit nga ba tayo single? Eh,
Oo nga no, bakit nga ba tayo single?
So, well, kung tatanungin naman na like in our age, they said, yung mga parents natin, more likely, di ba?
Oo.
At the age of 30 raw.
Dapat may pamilya ka na, may
Mm-mm.
bahay ka na, may mga 3 anak siguro, or pwede naman 2, or
Oo.
pwede naman merong 1 anak.
Yes.
Kahit 1 anak lang, pero ewan ko, ba't nga ba wala tayong anak,
nga,
wala tayong bahay, wala tayong asawa.
Oo. And then, di ba, parang ang dali lang ng life nila before. Like, when you were 30s, like, you thought na parang, parang you need to have a stable job, then you get
Oo.
married.
Yun. Kasi, siguro, like sa generation natin, especially tayong mga millennials, na-experience talaga natin yung transition eh. So,
Right.
like from like very old cellular phones, like, with the antenna and stuff.
Oo.
Pero, ngayon, lahat, touchscreen na, from keypads,
Smartphones.
And like, kahit nga sa calculator, di ba? Nakaranas pa tayo ng abacus. Naalala ko nung elementary ako, dun pa ako natuto talaga eh.
Sa math,
Sa
mga
math, eh.
ganyan.
So, siguro, yung compared siguro sa life nila before, it's a bit different because we actually experienced the transition, and at the same time, we're also struggling. Kasi hindi naman siguro, parang yung mga experiences ng mga parents natin siguro, sa time natin, mas meron tayong mga realization na hindi nila na-realize nung siguro sa age na natin ngayon. So, ang concept nila, and I think it's also like cultural, kasi you're expected to have kids and have family.
Oo nga eh.
Parang you have to propagate, Parang cultural. Kasi kapag sabihin mo talaga cultural, it happens in every culture. Like, you have to, madami kayo ng mga lahi, di ba?
Pero I think there is a scientific, naman dun, parang explanation. Kasi as women, we have limitations, right? Like, physically, we were like expected to give birth.
Yeah,
I mean, to have a
parang
child. Kasi nga, di ba, may menopausal age tayo and everything.
Tama. At the age of 35 ata, di ba?
So, hindi ka na raw sabi nila high risk, manganak, ganyan-ganyan.
Parang less chance na mabuntis ka.
Pero I have prepared some questions. Like, we will going to share our insights.
Insights, okay.
for
Insights lang.
insights. So, nga, bakit ganito, ganyan?
Oh.
Same topic exploring about bakit nga ba parang most of millennials talaga merong study nga na parang yun nga, parang iba talaga din yung pananaw ng mga millennials when it comes to marriage.
Yes.
Even Gen Zs raw parang ang Gen Zs, they don't want to have children.
Yes,
they said.